song about anyone. It could be anyone. You're just doing your own thing and someone comes out of the blue. They're like, alright, what are you saying? Yeah, can I take your digits? And you're like, no, not in a million years. You're nasty, please leave me alone. Cut to the pub on a last night out. Man at the bar cause it was his shout. Clocks his bird and she looked okay. She caught him looking and walked his way. Alright darling, you gonna buy us a drink then?
No, but I was thinking about buying one for your friend.
She's got no taste, hand on his waist, tries to pull away but her lips on his face. If you insist I'll have a white wine spritzer.
Sorry love, but you might take a picture.
You can't look around, you can't walk away. Try desperately to think of the politest way to say. Just get out my face, just leave me alone. I know you can't have my number, cause I lost my phone. Oh yeah, actually yeah, I'm pregnant, I'm having a baby in like 6 months and yeah. I recognise this guy's way of thinking as he walks over her face like she's like, oh here we go. It's a routine check that she